In this video, we're going to look at the round down function. So we have a list of scores over here, and the number of decimal places varies from 3 here to 2 here, and then we've also got one that's got 1 here. And using the round down function, what we can do is return these values so there's no decimal places, or we could return them so there's just 1 or 2, etc. So if we open up the round down function, we then have to select the number that we want to round down, so we'll select this one, and then the number of digits is how many decimal places you want there to be. So if we select 0 and then hit enter, that will remove all of the decimal places and the figure is rounded down to 182. And then if we drag this down, you can see that all of these figures have been rounded down and they have no decimal places after them. We could change this. We could change 0 to a 1, for example, and then just drag this down again, and then you can see that they've been rounded down, however they've retained 1 decimal place after them. So that's just a quick example of the round down function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.